Are you experiencing issues with your Discord stream quality? Today, I'm going to show you some effective methods to improve the stream quality in Discord. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. Discord streaming requires a consistent upload speed. Use a speed test tool, for example, speedtest.net. Here you can check your upload speed. Ensure it meets Discord's recommended minimum for streaming. Now, navigate to settings, then tweak Discord stream settings for optimal performance. Open Discord and go to user settings and go to voice and video, and on the video settings, adjust the stream quality to a suitable setting. Now, after you adjusted the video settings and the voice to the stream quality to a suitable setting, now next step is to hardware acceleration. Now, sometimes hardware acceleration can offload processing tasks to your GPU, improving stream quality. In Discord settings, go to Appearance. Now scroll down to Advanced Settings and toggle on hardware acceleration. And the next thing you can do is update the Discord. Sometimes update can often include performance improvements that can enhance stream quality. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you will see a noticeable improvement in your Discord stream quality. So also you can use Discord's built-in tools to monitor stream performance. While streaming, click on Go Live and monitor the stream quality indicator, green, yellow or red, in the bottom left corner of the Discord window. Now try this out and let me know in the comments how they worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.